Find solutions to sine theta equals 0.5. The calculator gives us the first, theta equals 30 degrees. Step 1. Starting from the positive x-axis, move counterclockwise for positive angles, clockwise for negative angles. Put the arm of your angle in roughly the correct position. In this case we have theta equals plus 30 degrees, so we'll move counterclockwise and draw the arm in roughly here. Now write in your related acute angle, always measured from the nearest x-axis. Work out if your trigonometric function is positive or negative in the quadrant you have drawn it. Find the other quadrant that matches this sign and draw in another related acute angle. In this quadrant, our sine function is positive because all functions are positive. The other quadrant that matches this positive for the sine function is here. So we write another related acute angle in this quadrant. Remember, always measuring from the x-axis, so we'll measure 30 degrees from here. Step 4, read off our angles, starting from the positive x-axis, rotating counterclockwise for positive angles. 30 degrees, 150 degrees, cycle around through 360 to give us 390 degrees, 510 degrees, and cycle around as many times as is necessary to build up your solutions. Don't forget to cycle around in the clockwise direction to give you the negative angles too. Minus 210, minus 330 degrees. Here's another, cos theta equals minus 0.4. We'll use our calculator to find one potential solution. Theta equals 114 degrees to the nearest degree. We'll draw in the arm of our angle starting from the positive x-axis and for positive angles moving in a counterclockwise direction. 114 degrees will be about here. We write in our related acute angle, always measured from the nearest x-axis. Now we'll work out where the cos is positive or negative in this quadrant. We can see that only sine is positive, so cos would be negative. We look for the other quadrant where cos is also negative, but it would be positive here, it would be positive here, so this is the only other quadrant where cos is negative, and we draw in a second related acute angle, remembering we always measure from the nearest x-axis. Step 4, we read off the angles, always starting from the positive x-axis, rotating counterclockwise for positive angles. 114 degrees, 246 degrees, and if we cycle around through 360, we arrive at 474 degrees, and you can cycle around as many times as is necessary. Don't forget, if we move in a clockwise direction, we'll get our negative angles, minus 114 degrees, and again you can just keep cycling through as many times as is necessary. And there we have it. I've deliberately made this a very short, quick fire video. There's another video I've made with a much fuller explanation if that's what you prefer.